Okay, here we are, Balian back. It's been a while. So what I want to do, I want to convert this document, well, let's just say this 3D model of a Tower of Power. I got that line from the Backyardigans, having young kids. We watch shows and they do influence us, my friends. They do. Okay, so what I did is I duplicated that model, and I'm going to go through the whole process of taking one element or one building and then rotating all its sides and adding an Arnold light. Okay, and then rendering it out to look like what, you ask? Let's see if I can find my where is it? Okay, let's just see here for a second. Here it is. It's open. Okay, so this is the package that I showed you guys in class and we've been working on for the last 3-4 weeks. Actually 4 weeks. It's a summative. And this is the stage. What I want to do is go from here, and we said we have 3 stories at 200 square feet. It's a tower. You have fun. You decide what you want on each floor, and based on that, and I just basically took that model, rotated like I said earlier, and put a light in, Arnold Skydome, and just had fun with different angles. Okay, so basically from this shot I can see all 4 views. Same thing here. This is one view, that's another view, and so on and so on. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so we just used up about a minute and a half. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the show right about now. Okay, so first off, I'm going to get rid of these guys. Delete. I'm assuming this one is my first one. Yep. This is my building, so I'm just going to do a quick save as, and I'm going to call this demo, so I know this is the one. 9_demo. Always save your work, guys. Remember that, right? Remember that file set project is always important for you guys to do. Okay, so I have everything here. I even put a box. Everybody knows how to create a base here, so I'm not going to really discuss that at all. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to select all these pieces, and I'm just going to go assign new material, people. Since we're in 2018, we're going to go to Arnold shader, and I'm going to put Ambient Occlusion on. So if you don't have Arnold, for the record, for the 100th time now, and every version I always go through Windows settings and preferences, and we're going to go into plugin manager, and we're going to scroll all the way down here. Okay, it used to be MR to Maya to MR. This time, because Mental Ray is not in, we're going M to A, meaning Maya to Arnold, and you have to create, basically select, enable it by pressing check and then close it up. Okay, it may take a second or two for you to get that. So I'm just going to go Arnold Ambient Occlusion. Okay, so just quickly, I don't know if I have any lights in here, so let's just see. Let's take a shot. Okay, so there's no lights, and look up here, very important. Right now the renderer is in Maya software, hardware 2.0, not going to be any better. Maybe a little better. Okay, so there it is. And that was super blazing fast. Okay, so there's my shot, not bad. But, you know, we want to make it more interesting, right? So what we're going to do is select all these pieces here, including the floor. I'm going to right click, assign new material, and again, shader, ambient occlusion. Okay, so that's cool. First piece. That's done. Okay. All right, so we're not going to worry about the lighting at the moment. What I want to do is select all this, because right now if I press W for move, look at that. We're having a really cool animation going on. Very sci-fi. Wow. Okay, I'll stop. So what we're going to do is that we're going to select all these pieces, and we're going to go to Mesh Combine. Then what we're going to do over here is the hotkey to erase history and center pivot. If you're using a different version, it's right here. Edit, delete by type history. Boom, right here. And then you go modify center pivot. Okay, so now if I just select move, how sweet is that? Control A, by the way, I don't like seeing the other what do you call it, the attribute editor. I like to work in the channel box for the moment because it's much easier. My students in grade 9, this will be much easier for you. Okay, so what I did is I selected this. So Command D, as you know, is duplicate. Boom, right here. E, rotate, and I'm just going to use the y-axis here, and I'm just going to just scroll a little, like just push a little bit on the left mouse, and I see here it says 33. Change it to 90. Boom. There's another view. How sweet is that? W for move, Command D for duplicate. And then we just keep going clockwise, okay? E again. So I'm going to rotate this guy. What does it say, 132? Well, I guess we got to go to 180, don't we? Boom again. W here. And slide to the right. Step to the right. Okay, Command D again. See ya on this one, this way. And we're going to rotate encore une fois one more time. Ooh, what did I just do there? Oh, I know what did I press D by accident. So we're just going to go Command E. I said, what am I doing here? Sorry, guys, I'm just having fun here. Ooh, you know what I did? I also duplicated, didn't I? Okay, so let me just delete all this. See ya. And you too. Bye. Here, I love making mistakes because this will most likely happen to you guys. So just go to object mode and select delete. Bye-bye. So I'll just select this one again. In this view, W, Command D. I got to slow down. I'm too excited. E. And rotate again. So we just rotate a bit, and obviously, you think it's 270? Perhaps? Oh, yes. Yes, it is. Okay, so I have four elevations. Okay, it's orthographic views. Right now, guys, this is not orthographic. This is perspective because you can see a vanishing point. All this is going to some vanishing point. So if we want to keep it simple, we're going to come up here, or we're going to hold our space bar and just go to the front view. Okay, so that's not the view we want, so we'll do it this way. Another way is probably orthographic left. Yes. Let's see, this is cool. I'm liking that. It's right here. And what I'm going to do right now, get rid of all the other things here, because you guys are going to get confused. So I'm going to say show none. Show again, polygons. And there it is. Okay, so our shot now, let's think about it. Looks something like that. And let's go to Arnold. What's Arnold going to do? Arnold, oh, I love this shot. Yes. Okay, so I don't know what your setting is at, so let's just go to settings, and you know how I always say JPEG. So this is just default by Arnold. Don't worry by Maya. So right now I'm going to leave all this alone, except I'm just going to crank this 1920 1080. Where is my HD? My friend HD is right here. Okay, close. And then we're going to put the save frame on. Boom. Boom. Nice. There it is. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm zooming in, and I'm going to take a shot like this. Oops. Hold that. Like that. And let's see. Let me just click here. Vertex. Grab all these verts. And W is your friend. Crank that down. Object mode. This is a cool architectural design assignment for you guys in grade 9. I love it. I'm very excited that I changed things from the bedroom design. So I'm just going to hold option, crank this down a bit. Got a room for sky, we got a room for ground, and so on. Okay. So here it is. So I will go in here, and oh yeah. So this is the shot, sans lighting right now, without lighting. Okay. And look at that. That is, I love this shot. This is beautiful. I was in architecture school, and I had these tools. Boy, look out on my presentations. Okay, save image right here, and look, because I have my Tower of Power images, and I'm going to say demo whatever, demo 411s done. Okay, that's done. So now, as you know, we don't have any lights other than the fact that I've converted all these into Arnold materials. Love saying that. Okay, so here it is. I have all that. So let's just go to the Arnold setting, because we went to the Windows settings preferences. It's here now. You will see Arnold up here, and then what we're going to do is going to go Arnold lights. These are specific lights for Arnold. Go to Skydome. Don't touch anything else. Just press the button right here, the second one. All right, and let's see. Something changes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Looking good. And now, as you can see, we kind of don't know where the ground is, right? And this is rendering super fast because I haven't touched any settings, people. So we know this is ambient occlusion, right? So if I press Control A, and here's our friend, the attribute editor, we go all the way to Arnold, and let's change this from white to some kind of a earth tone. Okay, so I'm going to come in the red zone, and I'm just going to go to pastel clay or something, whatever. All right, so that's my color. As you can see right here, even if I press 6, you're not going to see anything. Okay, and I don't even have to press lights. No go. We're just going to come back here, second clapper right here, guys. The semester's coming to an end. And let's, oh, you know what I did? Okay, so what I did is I didn't change the material for down here, so everything's becoming clay, which actually looks even better than I wanted. So I expected at the moment. Okay, so save image, 11.2. So, and I will correct it in a second. All right, so 11.2 done. It's gone. Bye-bye. So what I'll do is I'll select all these guys. Okay, assign new material. And I'll do the same thing again. Shader, Arnold, Ambient Occlusion. Beautiful. Leave it as is. Control A. Now take the shot. I'm not going to say the bloody shot. That's from a movie we all talked about. 007. Oh yeah, this is looking sweet. So this is it. I'm going to leave it as this. I can add the blue sky if you want, but you've done more than enough. Save image right here. Sweet. This will be number 3. And then I'll say something like clay on the side. I can't see my screen right now. Clay. Leave it at that. Okay, I'll do one more thing for you guys. Let's see how far I've gone here. Okay, 10 minutes. Not bad. 10 and a half. What I'm going to do is show... is it lights? Lights. No, I'm going to show all for a second. Because we put the Skydome in, and there's my Skydome. Control A. Okay. No, that's not the Skydome. I did put a Skydome. And my question to myself is, why am I not seeing it? Okay, let's go to perspective for a second. There's the Skydome. Come on. Oh, I know. Did I turn everything off? Oh my. I must have put it on a layer of something here. Okay. I'm just going to go to Windows for a second, Outliner, go all the way to the bottom, Skydome, see you later, and I'll just put another one in. Okay, Arnold, Lights, Skydome, and there it is. Okay, it's selected right there. Why can't I? There, Control A. All right, and you see how this is blue right now? So I'm going to click on the checker box, and I'm going to go to a gradient map somewhere here. It's a classic ramp. Okay, as you can see here, it's black. I will change this to a blue color, and you will see it kick in here. So if you want the blue to come up in the horizon further up, so see what I'm doing here? Okay, and then I'll go back to my elevation, orthographic, left view. That looks good, right? Just like before, nothing else. So I just gave it a gradient ramp, basically. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the second clapper again. Oh yeah, this is looking sweet. Okay, excellent. I gotta say, I'm really happy with this. I would have liked a little more space on each side, but that's okay. We're gonna take the shot. We're gonna call it, we're done for tonight. File, save image, and please, when you come in tomorrow, have this with you. I hope you watch it tonight. If not, watch it first thing tomorrow. I'm gonna go clay _ sky, so I know what this shot is, okay? Later on, what you'll do is you'll bring it into your command tab here. Ding, 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 until I see my, where is it? There. Okay, so you see there's a shot there. I did a different version. And I want you to bring these images into your illustrated documents and then export each frame, each page. Tower of Power, thank you, Backyardigans, 3D elevation studies, so on, floor plans, the works, okay? Sketches, research, and a final shot in kind of three-quarter view. Okay, that's it. We're done. Balian out. See you later, people. 13 minutes. Bye.